in the lush green land of Kerala, when the monsoon rains bid farewell and the golden harvest ripens in the fields. A divine festival begins. A festival of joy, prosperity, and devotion, celebrated in honor of a righteous king who loved his people more than anything else. This is Onam, the homecoming of King Mahabali. Long ago, Kerala was ruled by the Asura King Mahabali, also called Mavali. Unlike other Asuras, Mahabali was noble, kind, and just. Under his reign, there was no sorrow, no crime, no inequality. His people were happy, prosperous, and united. But the Devas, feeling threatened by his growing power, sought the help of Lord Vishnu. The Lord took his fifth avatar, Vamana, the dwarf Brahmin. He came to Mahabali's court asking for just 3 steps of land. The humble king agreed. With a divine smile, Vamana grew gigantic, covering the earth in his first step, the heavens in his second. For the third step, Mahabali offered his own head. With devotion, he bowed down, and the Lord placed his foot on Mahabali, sending him to the netherworld. Yet touched by the king's humility and love for his subjects, Lord Vishnu granted him a boon to return once every year to visit his beloved people. That sacred return is celebrated as Onam. Onam is not just a festival, it is the soul of Kerala. It lasts for 10 days, filled with devotion, beauty, and joy. The homes are decorated with Pookalam, intricate floral carpets at the entrance, to welcome King Mahabali. The heart of the celebration is the Onasadya, a grand vegetarian feast with over 20 dishes, served on a banana leaf. Each flavor symbolizes the abundance of nature and gratitude to the divine. The backwaters of Kerala come alive with Vallamkali, the spectacular snake boat races, where teams row in rhythm to sacred chants. Men paint themselves as tigers for Pulikali, dancing joyfully through the streets, while women perform the graceful Kaikotikali, dance around the lamp. And above all, families unite, regardless of religion or caste, to celebrate harmony and prosperity. Onam is not merely a harvest festival, nor only a cultural tradition. It is a spiritual reminder of sacrifice, humility, and devotion. King Mahabali's story teaches us that true greatness lies not in power, but in love, selflessness, and surrender to the divine. Even today, Malayalis across the world celebrate Onam as a symbol of unity, prosperity, and devotion to the eternal values of Dharma. As the lamps glow and the flowers bloom, may King Mahabali's spirit bless every home with joy and abundance. May Lord Vishnu's grace guide us towards humility and righteousness. This Onam, let us celebrate not only with feasts and festivities, but also with hearts full of gratitude and devotion. Wishing you all a blessed and divine Onam.